This is a short video to demonstrate the power folding roof on this 1996 Rover Mini John Cooper SI conversion. So I'm doing this with the engine running to sort of reduce the load on the battery alone. And the other thing that I was taught about this folding roof is that you want to open it about halfway and then straighten out the folds in the roof before opening it all the way. So, step one. And that's about halfway. And straighten the folds. And then we continue. Close. And it's done. Thanks for watching.